ekiragiro kigenderire kutaha emiringo yo kumaraho kukoresa abaana emirimo barengire okubatwara omu bushwere bakiri bato hamwe n'endiijo miringo ekirikurubatirira obugabe bwabo.
There's fishing, the second one pool table games, the third is children engaging in market activities during school days. Section 5, there are offences, and these were the amendments that were made. A person who illegally keeps a child or children without following the right procedure commits an offence regardless of whether the intervention was in a good faith.
Oraje emere ekiragiro eki naija kuba nashashura omutango gw'emitwaro 10 omu sente za Uganda okukomwa kumara omwaka gumwe narishi byombi.
Show business in close proximity to a school shall be held liable on conviction to a fine of not exceeding 5 currency points or imprisonment of not more.
Richard Rwabuhinga orumukuru wa district ya Kabarore nagira ngo emize yo kurobaterera obugabe bw'abantu mu district egi ebirene yongera konkayi n'amasikongo ekiragiro eki nekija kugirwanisa
okurora ngo obugabe bw'omwana hano Kabarore warindwa kurungi ekiragiro kyo obutweramara kiteka mu gazeti Ihanga bija kwija mu magombora okurora twakibasomesa ngo kirakora kandi twete ba LOCs baitu wa the village enforcers batwatanize naitwe okora ngo ekiragiro kino cyatekwa mu nkora
mu kwezi kwa 8 omwaka gw'2023 district ekarangerera kuyahandikira abana babishikira rushanje na babiri abatwirenda bakiro bato omukire kameze mukaga gonka
okwijukibwa abana baitu nyonyenche yaitu abana baitu obuguda baitu kandi ekire tuferirwa mu abana baitu batweriyo bulikona akatwina
tuganireho n'abamomoro ba kansara hantekateka yabo aha kiragiro eki.
Mr. Speaker, there are so many reasons why I support this, and automatically it is for the good of the child of this nation.
I found over 20 children who are employed who are given birth.
Mande Christopher or Deputy Community Development Officer wa Kabarore asimire ba kansara habwo korabya hwekiragiro eki agumize ngo nikija kubahwera umukuru wa nsokoro baterera obugabe bw'abana.
Abana no banagiriza ekintu kirwora records za probation officer weitu ine abana tubaru kusoma muwira bwo kusoma abana nabatera amabale abana nabatera amatafali abana nabeho umusenyi
gasha kwa Jonathan Tsingwiri.